Here, show me some more. Make me some dots. Cool. Let's do some dots. Show Mommy. She's going to be so proud. Yeah. I think she started this, right? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, I didn't see that over there. One moment of inattention. Uh-huh. Decorate tomorrow. Decorate everything. Yeah, there's a spot that hasn't been marked on over here. Let's see. That's Boz's leash, yeah.